all omega-3 supplements are the same, even if the numbers look impressive. Most brands compete by boosting EPA and DHA numbers through chemical processing. What they don't talk about is form. Best Source Nutrition Omega-3 is sourced in its natural triglyceride form, closer to how omega-3 exists in real fish and how your body recognizes it. That's why it's easier to digest, more stable, and doesn't leave you with fishy burps or aftertaste. Each batch is deeply purified and third-party tested for heavy metals, PCBs, and dioxins, something many fish oil don't screen for rigorously. This isn't a gym supplement. It's designed for long-term heart, brain, and joint wellness. Best Source Omega-3. Quality first, not just numbers. Link in bio. Use code OMEGA15 for 15% off.